Are you ready to turn your knowledge, creativity, or expertise into a source of passive income? Selling digital products is one of the best ways to generate money online while scaling your business to reach a global audience. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the step-by-step process of selling digital products, whether you're an absolute beginner or looking to level up your sales strategy. Let's get started. First, let's define what digital products are. Unlike physical goods, digital products are intangible items that are delivered electronically. Examples include Step 1, eBooks like guides or self-help books. Step 2, online courses and workshops. Step 3, software or mobile apps. Step 4, templates for design resumes or planners. Step 5, stock photography, music, or videos. Why digital products are lucrative. Low cost to produce and distribute. Unlimited inventory, sell to thousands without additional costs. Scalable income potential. To succeed, you need to create digital products that solve specific problems for a target audience. Here's how to find your niche. Step 1. Identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you love doing? Step 2. Research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Uber Suggest, or Answer the Public to find trending topics in your area of expertise. Step 3. Analyze your competition. Study what other creators in your niche are offering and identify gaps you can fill. Pro tip: don't try to cater to everyone. Focus on a small, specific audience for better results. Next, how you can create your digital products. Step 1. Decide on the format. If you're an expert in something, create an ebook or course. If you're creative, design templates, illustrations, or music. Step 2. Choose the right tools to create your product. Ebooks, Microsoft Word, Canva, or Adobe InDesign. Online courses, platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi templates. Use Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator. Step 3. Focus on quality. Your product must provide real value. Invest time in creating something polished, professional, and easy to use. Setting up your online store. Now that your product is ready, let's set up an online store. Here are your options. 1. E-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce for full control. 2. Marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon for easy exposure. 3. Your website. Use WordPress or Squarespace to build a professional website. Ensure your product description is clear. Highlight its benefits and include testimonials if possible. Pro tip: make the purchasing process simple. Offer multiple payment options, like PayPal, credit cards, or Stripe pricing. Your digital product pricing can make or break your sales. Here's how to decide. 1. Research competitors. What are others charging for similar products? 2. Test different price points. Start with a low price and gradually increase as you gain reviews. 3. Offer discounts or bundles. Encourage customers to buy more. Always keep in mind the value your product provides. People are willing to pay for quality marketing. Your digital product, social media ads, email marketing examples, and YouTube tutorials. Step 1. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to promote your product with engaging content. Share behind-the-scenes clips of you creating your product. Step 2. Build an email list. Email marketing is one of the most effective tools for selling digital products. Offer a free lead magnet, like a mini ebook or checklist to collect email addresses. Step 3. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with creators in your niche to expand your reach. Step 4. Invest in paid ads. Platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads allow you to target specific audiences, increasing your chances of making sales. Scaling your sales analytics dashboards and automation tools. Step 1. Automate your processes. Use tools like Zapier or HubSpot to automate tasks like email responses or order processing. Step 2. Upsell and cross-sell. Once someone buys your product, offer them related products or premium versions. Step 3. Expand your reach. Translate your product into other languages or offer it on more platforms. Common mistakes to avoid. A checklist of mistakes with red crosses. Avoid these common pitfalls. Focusing only on the product without marketing. Pricing too low or too high without research. Not updating your product based on customer feedback. Ignoring customer service. Remember, your customer's experience matters as much as your product. Now you know exactly how to sell digital products online. The possibilities are endless, and this is your chance to turn your ideas into a successful business. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And let me know in the comments what type of digital product you're excited to create. Until next time, keep creating.